Candace Carter thoughts to go. I've got a theme. I may talk about it more than once. It all has to do with time, or maybe better to say with timing. Getting the right timing. Well, the first thing I want to talk about today is the art of waiting. Now, I don't think we're very good at this. It took me a long time to find out the importance, why it's good to wait, why it's good if you're working on something and it doesn't move, to just leave it alone, to wait. There's all sorts of signals that we don't always pick up. For example, I'm working on a painting and I'm there's a point where you just need to leave it alone and you think you just have to finish it, you just have to get it farther along. And you get rescued because the telephone rings. That means there's an interruption. You have to put your mind and your head and all of you somewhere else, and then you come back. So you've had a break. It's a waiting that you weren't planning to do, but the break is kind of like waiting too. It's like a waiting that you that happens to you. So that's one kind of waiting. The other kind of waiting is I'm working on a painting and I realize I'm not getting anywhere. I'm just thinking I have to, and thinking I have to is never a good way to create, because creating has its own method of thinking, and this is a different method than, oh, I've got to get the job done, write it off my to-do, It's different. So waiting for something you don't know. And so you take a break. If you're not getting anywhere and you're starting to push, then wait. Do something else. Get your mind off it. Just wait and see if any signals come. And you can always go back. Sometimes I turn a painting around for 6 weeks. It needs a really big break. And the best kind of waiting is to pick up on it's important to wait. Like if I'm painting, sometimes the painting gives me an impulse and says, hey, leave me alone. I need a break. You need a break. So if I pick up on this, man, that's when I stop. So waiting is a very, very good thing to learn. So I think that's enough for today. Please come back. That would be nice. Okay, bye-bye.